you gonna go play with them? They're gonna try to eat.
Hey.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Last. Stay last.
Get lost? Yeah, she get lost.
Eat.
She needs to eat.
Hair. Who eat? Icky. Eat.
Yeah.
Try eat.
Yep, they're trying to eat.
Hair. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Try eat.
Hold her up so we can see her. Hold her up so we can see her face. You can hold her. Look at she's pretty, huh?
Oh, boy.
Pretty, yeah.
Cute.
They're cute.
Cute. Uh-oh. Lash. Cute. Uh-oh. Lash. Now lash.
We need better light in here. You hold him up. Her or him? You hold another one?
Yep.
Hold another one.
I'll hold another.
Yeah, gentle.
Cute.
Cute, huh?
Cute. Ice.
Who's the growly one? Who's growly?
Oh, boy.
Yeah, I gotta figure out which one's growly that's the ornery one.
Oh, boy. Cute boy.
He's gonna walk in the food. Hey, hey, hey. You're alright.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you're lonely. Get up there with your brothers. That's the whiny one. Which one are you?
Ow.
Hey, hey, hey! Is he growling at you? He said, oh, let's play.
Cute.
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 Uh-oh.
Oh, I'm getting too old.
Two.
Yep, too old.
Two.
Too old. Oh, look. She wants a kiss.
Puppies.
Yeah, she wants a kiss.
Puppies.
Is he trying to play with you?
Yeah.
You're stuck? You got a puppy right behind you, so be careful. They're getting ornery, huh?